Hello, my name is Bart Rodgers, manager of the Beltwall division at Beltservice Corporation in St. Louis, Missouri. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about heavy-duty cross-rigid belting. So here at Beltwall, we use this type of belting to make our corrugated sidewall product. You can see the base belt, the sidewall, and the cleats. And you'll notice that the sidewalls are often set inward from the edge of the belt, and that's to make room for what we call deflection wheels used on these type of conveyor systems. And that's where the belt transitions from horizontal to vertical. With the belt itself being cross-rigid, that keeps the belt from pulling through those wheels or falling through those wheels, where there's both typically an upturn and a downturn bend. So in order to achieve the cross-rigidity, a couple of ways of doing this. There is the monofilament cross-rigid ply shown here. So very flexible in the running direction, but some lateral stiffness across what would be the width of the belt. And then also steel breakers. So this is steel cords, closely spaced. Again, very flexible running direction, but very stiff laterally. So to kind of see how this translates into the actual base belt itself, I have here what we call a 5-ply cross-rigid belt. So from a tension standpoint, it's 3 tension members in the carcass, 330 PIW rating. But this belt itself is made with 2 monofilament cross-rigid plies as well. So one on the top and one on the bottom. So again, the running direction, very flexible in that direction. But as you get into the width-wise, this belt is very stiff. So again, this would allow this belt to transition through bends that are both upturn and downturn and still self-support the belt. With the monofilament cross-rigid construction, that is probably the most common. It can be used on a wide belt that can then be slid into more narrow widths for a given application. With the steel breaker, the nature of the steel itself does not lend itself to being cut. These belts are normally made with either a capped or molded edge. That protects the steel from moisture and the associated corrosion. So hopefully this has been of value to you, and if there are any questions or we can be of further service, please feel free to contact me at beltwall@beltservice.com. Thank you.